it's normal, missing someone, and missing someone.
Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is going to be a completely different one. I'm going to be trying out this new beauty makeup hack from TikTok. We are going to be testing out and seeing if this hack really truly works. If it doesn't, I'm not going to sugarcoat it in any way, but if it does, well, we've got another technique under our belt. If you're not following me on Instagram or TikTok, please check out my TikTok handle here. So for this quarantine period, we've all been obsessed with TikTok. I don't know about you, but I've been watching a lot of beauty hacks and skincare hacks and TikTok videos, and guys, if you're not on TikTok, I don't know what you're doing. So I'm just going to start off this video. To start off, I don't have any makeup on my face. I've just cleansed my face and then gone in with a toner, and you all know the toner that I'm currently using and loving. If you don't, I'm going to leave it in the cards up above so you can check it out. And I'm going to put a snippet of her doing her makeup right here so we can follow through and do the same thing that she is doing.
If you wear makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face, not too much. Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing makeup is gonna look, and it's gonna stay on 24/7, and it's not gonna crease. It's a technique that's probably still used by so many other people. I heard that it's been used for like a long time, but I just found out about it, and honestly, look, I don't have the beauty filter on. Try it on you and let me know if it works.
Okay, so she says we should moisturize first. So I'm going to be taking my moisturizer, and the moisturizer that I'm going to be using today is this one from Simple. Don't mind my finger, I hurt myself while setting up. So this is the moisturizer that we are going to be using today, and it's a kind to skin replenishing moisturizer.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want.
Okay, so I've already moisturized my face, and she says we should go in with loose powder, and I'll be using my loose powder from RCMA. I really love this powder because it's translucent and it doesn't leave any color. I'm just going to use a little bit. I hope I'm not using too much powder. This hack is going to work for oily skin people. I have dry skin anyways, so it might probably work for me. I don't know, I'm hoping. Alright, so I'm done with the powder. Let's move on to the next step. The setting spray I'll be using is my Marabidosco setting spray. I'm not going to use the MAC one or my Maybelline, my L'Oreal Infallible one, or any of my other setting sprays because those ones do control oil. So I'm going to use my Marabidosco one because I really do just want to genuinely test this hack and see if it does work as good as she says it does. Or we're just out here trying to get TikTok famous. So far I'm not completely mad at the results. It's making my skin look dewy, glowy. So yeah, it's been a while now, so I'm sure my setting spray is completely dried. So I'm going to go in with my primer, and the primer that I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser. And I'm going to be applying the primer on, you know, the areas where I usually apply my primer. That's my forehead area and my under eye. And then whatever is left off, I apply it on the rest of my face, you know, so that I don't waste it. I kind of like it. My face feels really smooth. I really do like it as at this point. So let's just see. So after the primer, let's just see what's next.
Also, wait for this thing to dry first. Then just put on your foundation.
So she says we should put on our foundation now. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundations. And for some time now, I've had to mix these two shades to get my exact shade. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I haven't filled in my brows yet. Okay, I think I'll do that at the end.
Eyes are wide open. It's calling me. Like the rainbow. Like the rainbow. It's calling me. Like the rainbow. The rainbow.
Wow, guys, are you seeing this? Whoa. My skin is looking really nice though, Charlie. My skin is looking really nice. I really love the results. I wasn't expecting this at all. I mean, your primer after setting powder, after setting spray, I really wasn't expecting this result. I thought this was going to be a fail, but I think she's onto something.
Makeup is gonna look, and it's gonna stay on 24/7, and it's not gonna break.
This is going to stay on 24/7 and not going to crease. Are you sure? Will I recommend this method for oily skin people? I'm not too sure. I doubt. I have dry skin, so I'll definitely recommend that you try it out if you also have dry skin. But for oily skin, I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure that this is going to work for you. So
It's a technique that's probably still used by so many other people. I heard that it's been used for like a long time, but I just found out about it, and honestly.
let me just finish up my makeup real quick, and then I'll be back to show you guys the results. Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm done with my entire makeup look. As you can see, the result is amazing. I really love the results that I've gotten. Between deciding what makeup look to do and this one, I think I've had my makeup on for at least 2 hours now. Do I recommend this method? Definitely. I'm really loving this method so far, and I love how my makeup turned out. Please don't forget to comment down below your TikTok handle so that everybody on this video can get to know you and we can see what you also create. And also don't forget to follow my TikTok here. If you like TikTok videos, please let me know so I can do more of these kind of videos, testing out people's hacks. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.